Even the Akosombo vibes. Cute. Oh my god.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I
She said this is what? Africa clothes. Africa clothes. So, who is it? You. Why? I thought we are doing burial. Yes, we are doing burial. It's not. It's not how you people do. Ghana people. I don't understand. Yeah. Which one should I eat first? You eat this, then you chew this on it. This one. There's coconut here. No. What is this? Cassava. Cassava. Thank you. You're welcome. My yellow sissy. Oyibo pepper. Oyibo. You see what you did to me today? Are you trying? You go call Nigeria, come dance samba.
So today we are going to receive an award tomorrow. So we are traveling today ahead of tomorrow. If you are new to the channel, my name is Lillian. To you, my OGs, thank you for coming back. So we are heading to Koforidua. I just got done from the funeral of my daughter's teacher. I spent like 20 minutes and now we are done. So I was made to understand that it's not the proper burial. It's a 5 days something that I'm not familiar with. But we are learning, and I'm learning a lot about some of the cultures here in Ghana. So finally, I arrived Koforidua late at night. I think this is about 10:30. I was too excited to even check the time. Okay, there was traffic on the way and the vehicle didn't full on time, so I got here this late. But my men did not let me down, so now they are taking me to my luxury hotel where I'm going to pass the night. You guys, every day I discover a new chapter about you guys, my good people of Ghana, and I love it. Each one I see, I study, and it's quite interesting. So tomorrow is the award day. I hope you watch this video till the end so you get to see what I mean. Anyway, let me give you guys a room tour of my luxury hotel. And this hotel has like a suite. So this is the working table, and it has a whole wardrobe for me alone, and it has a beautiful dressing table and this tiny bed here that I really love, and of course the kente fabric made it all so special, like it is giving aquaba. And you guys, hold on until you see the bathroom. Okay, that is my favorite part. I wanted to say that was my favorite part of this hotel. I don't know if it was the dressing area or everywhere was just cute. Just take a look at this beauty. I love. Of course, all these things, when I was going, I packed everything. When I heard the price of the place, I packed everything. Our money, we are not leaving one dime behind. You guys, guess what? Upon arrival, the receptionist recognized me. At this point, you people will need to come together and buy a private jet for me so I don't have to be doing tro anymore. People are knowing me and it is giving. So get ready with me. Let's go out for a dinner. This is 12 o'clock or thereabouts, but my guys won't stop. We are going out. So come with me. Let's go and have fun, okay? Ahead of tomorrow. Honestly, This thing is short, but I'll wear it because it is from Kamke's place. I go like this. Tomorrow I'll get dressed. I came with just one dress. One, not two, one. Rose. Okay, let's go.
Right now, I lay with you, make myself head on. Slow baby, when you want one.
If you spot your favorite brand here, point it. If you spot your favorite brand here, just name it. Name it or pass. I don't know what this is. Anything is here. The bottle, I'm already laughing a lot, so I can imagine what happens if I go on to take two or one or two. So this is why I don't like drinking alcohol, because I end up laughing a lot. Just laughing like a fool. Like I have no bills to pay. Finally, I'm back to my baby, my room. I had so much fun, a lot of it, plenty of it. My camera went off, I could not continue filming. Breakfast is ready. The exact type of food I'm avoiding. So I'm going to have to eat this salad and fried egg. You are invited. It was nice. Let me get ready and go. So I'm going with, we're good to go. This is where I stayed in. Such a beautiful place, quiet. And there's a pool there, but I can't go there, no time. And the name of the hotel. This is the Koforidua I never got to see until today. I didn't know you are this cute. Oh, it is giving the Akosombo vibes. Cute. Oh my god. What is that? Fort, Harry Fort. Okay. Wait. Oh, this is where we are going. My boys and girls, babies, you are cute. Please, we'll go inside, okay? Hey, I hope blood listen. Block off. And I'm telling Paul,
please.
I said, I'm going to inside.
Please, I have to go in. Okay, sorry. At this point, I'll just manage my Accra weather. At least I know what to expect. Please, can you help me wind down a little here? Okay, the AC is on. Yeah, please.
You don't worry. When you are
Okay. I just want to take.
This is me being taken back to the bus station by one of my men, my Marima Mas guys. So I'm going back home to Accra and he's taking me to the bus station. Koforidua is big. Now, can we have this conversation now? Which part of the eastern region is the capital of the eastern region? Is it Koforidua or where Akusumba? I don't get it. Everywhere I go, you people keep telling me it is the eastern region of Ghana. But they are all big. All the towns are beautiful, big, and so amazing. Just the way you know I like it. Very natural. Green with mountains. Please educate me for the last time. Is this the headquarters of the eastern region of Ghana? Let's have that conversation. Don't forget to leave your comments down there, the comment section. And don't forget to tune in to see the exclusive video later on today. I will try and post it today so you get to see. I was given a VIP treatment, and seriously, some of the things I'm not used to, I'm learning to enjoy them, and I really appreciate you all. Okay, so you already know what the time it is. Anyway, I'll see you later on today. Don't forget to come back for that video. I love you and I appreciate you. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares.